Alright guys, what is going on? Yo, today I'm going to be showing you how to make easy money with adult websites. Okay, I'm going to give you the good, the bad, and the ugly. So stay tuned, watch this video to the end if you're really serious about making some real money. Okay, now I'm going to go through a couple different things when I pretty much mean adult websites. I actually mean, webcam chat rooms. Okay, and here's why. All right. One, there's a ton of room to grow. I mean, tons of room to grow. It's an adult industry. I mean, it's just flooded with people who are always trying to get their rocks off. Let's be real. Okay. Two, it's this multi-billion-dollar industry. I mean, multi-billion. You can't get any better than that. And it's time for you to get your piece of the cut. Okay. Two, there's no overhead with this. I mean, absolutely no overhead, and you can seriously make just as much as money as you really want. It's easy to get started. I mean, a couple clicks here, a couple clicks there, sign up, and you're just ready to go. Okay, you get your affiliate links, and you can just start making money today. And 99% of the work is already done for you. That's what most people don't understand. Like, the chicks are already there. The site is already up. Like, all you have to do is go in, grab your links, and start promoting them. And I'm going to show you exactly how to promote, your affiliate links where you can get tons and tons of traffic. And also with adult, chat rooms and things like that, it's super easy to get ranked. Most people create blogs to drive traffic back to their affiliate links, which is incredibly easy. And the best part about all of this, that depending on, which webcam, chat room you decide to go with as an affiliate, and I'm going to show you the top two that I use that I generate about $6 grand. It's all residual income. That's the beauty of it. Like, someone signs up through your links, and every time they, purchase tokens or whatever the case may be, you get a percentage of that. How cool is that? I mean, it's amazing. Now, like I said, the sites that I use that make me the most revenue now is camerista.com, and that generates me about, $3,000 per week, and amorme.com, in which my average just went up about 2,500. So again, almost $6 grand every week residual. Like, it's crazy retarded. I wish I would have got into this years ago. So I'm definitely trying to put everyone on this because it's dumb easy. Now, onto that social media, how to drive traffic to your affiliate links. Because once you get signed up and you have your links and you're all ready to go, you're probably wondering, okay, where do I post my links at? Like, how do I get good traffic? And in my experience now, the best places to get really high value traffic is Reddit, Twitter, and Tumblr. And I probably should switch that order around to Reddit, Tumblr, and Twitter. Because I use Twitter, but it's just for backlinks, just really for backlinks. But anyways, I get probably about 70% of my traffic from Reddit. I get another 25% from Tumblr, and another 5% from Twitter. But it all plays into effect and it all works out. So I would use Reddit, Twitter, and Tumblr, and as well as create your own blog as well, because it's a free website and you can just post all your links there all day. And I'll show you in a different video how to get your blog ranked on Google for certain keywords that people are looking for. So when they find you and they're going through your blog, there are your links. And when they click it, perfect, you get paid. That's the beauty of all of this. Now, I want to focus more on blogs right now because obviously, like I said, blogs generate a lot of traffic, especially if you do it the right way. Because at the end of the day, remember, content is still king. Blogs get ranked, which drives traffic to your website. I'm going to repeat that. Content is king. Blogs get ranked for keywords that people are looking for, which drives traffic back to your site. So again, create as many blogs as you can. You know, hey, top 10 webcam sites for 2018. The best adult, webcam sites for, making money. Whatever the case may be, whatever you want your blog to be, make a blog, fill it with content, fill it with your affiliate links, and you're done. Just let it go. It's out there in web. It'll create traffic for you, and it will generate you revenue. I promise you that. And last but not least, understanding the psychology behind all of this. Here's the thing. People are seeking webcam sites. And let me be more specific. People are seeking adult webcam sites, webcam chat rooms, okay? Your goal is to get them from point A, which is looking, to point B, your affiliate links, the webcam site. That's it, okay? And however you do that is solely up to you. I mean, people are creative when it comes to this type of thing. People use Instagram and they post nothing but hot and sexy women all day. And guess what? They got their affiliate link in their bio. And that drives them a lot of traffic. Some people are very creative and they use Facebook. Now, Facebook doesn't allow, or let me rephrase that, they don't like adult content. So you can't just, direct link your affiliate links to Facebook. People go through blogs because blogs are approved on Facebook, depending on what kind it is, okay? So again, you can be creative. And like I said, understanding the psychology behind all of this is what's really going to help you make the most money, because it's simple. Get people who are looking for this, point A, to point B, which is your affiliate links. And that's how you're going to make money from adult webcam sites. Most people think, well, do I have to broadcast? No, you do not have to broadcast. Like, you just don't. You know what I mean? Like, leave that up to the women. They're already on there broadcasting. You don't need to go on there and try to become a broadcaster. Nope, cut it. All you need to do is simply promote them. Okay? That is it. And typically, like, for example, I may take like 20 different models, and I'm going to post all their links on Reddit. I'm going to give it a nice title. I'm going to give it a unique description, add a couple keywords in there so you can get ranked for that, particular post on Google, and boom, it just drives traffic automatically. Another good one is StumbleUpon. Post your links on StumbleUpon. I'm not saying you're going to get a crap ton of traffic from it, but at least it's out there. You know what I mean? So you may get 2 or 3, signups per day from StumbleUpon. You may get 30 to 40 signups a day from Reddit. You may get, 30 to 40 signups a day from Tumblr. And the bigger picture is it all adds up. It really, really does. So you can easily go from making, $100 a day to $200 a day, all the way up to, $4,000 to $5,000 a day, depending on how big you get this. So I like to tell people, hey, jump straight into this. Don't hold back. There's no overhead. You do not have to pay to get started. And it's just incredibly easy to do. And not a lot of people know about this. If you go search the internet right now, you'll find out that there's not a lot of videos on this. You'll find out that there's not a lot of people trying to teach other people on how to make money with adult webcam sites without actually having to broadcast themselves. Because if you're a dude, let's face it, you're probably not interested on getting on webcam and having other people look at you. But at the end of the day, you want to make money. So why not make money from a multi-billion-dollar industry where all you have to do is help them drive traffic? That is it, people. I mean, how simple and easy is that? If you go to Facebook right now, there's tons and tons of groups, that have webcam women. Why not leverage that? You know what I mean? Post your blog links, which is going to lead them back to your affiliate links, which will lead them back to the webcam site. It's just that easy. So what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to leave a link in the description to Camarista.com. Also, I'm going to leave a link for Amorme.com. And those are the two that I use the most. that generate me the most revenue. There's a lot of other webcam sites out there, but after, a lot of experience in the game, I just realized that one, they don't pay out as nearly as much as Camrista.com, nor they pay out as nearly as much as Amormi.com. Okay, and I'm going to be straightforward honest. The women on Camrista.com are a lot classier than a lot of other sites that I've seen. Same thing for Amormi. So I'll leave a link under this video in the description. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor, subscribe to the channel and share this video, like this video, and all the other good stuff, so you can just keep updated. And again, I'm always dropping new videos on how to, brand yourself, brand your business, and different things like that. My goal is to help you guys make more money. I'm already making money. I want to help spread the wealth and help everyone else make more money. So that's it for this video, guys. Again, if you found this helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, drop a comment below on your thoughts, and yeah, anything I can help you with, please feel free to reach out to me. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I'll catch you next time.